Welcome to Blackhawk Technical College. We are so excited to have you as a part of our community. Whether you are transferring here from a different college, are returning to us after some time away, are a brand new student, or have taken one of the many paths to get to our doors, please know that you belong here.
There are many different people and departments that can help you, either in person, over the phone, or via Zoom.
If you have any questions about your financial aid account, please stop by the financial aid office. And the great thing is, it is on a walk-in basis and you don't even need an appointment. Do you need help with your tuition bill, making adjustments on your class schedule, or getting your BTC student ID? Make sure you stop by the registration and records window. They will be happy to help you.
Each student has an academic advisor. That advisor is going to help you plan your education and be there for you along the way.
If you are looking for academic support, including tutoring, library services, and access and accommodations, please stop into the Student Success Center.
Do you need help getting connected with campus and off-campus resources? If you do, please make sure that you connect with the college's counselor and case manager.
When you are ready, we will be here to help you with your job search process. This includes mock interviews, resume help, and more.
Need a cool place to chill or play a game in between classes? Stop into the Student Union today to hang out and check out all of our amazing student organizations.
If you are having any issues with your username, password, MyBTC, or other technology students use on campus, please stop into the IT department or give IT a call. Many times they can help you right over the phone.
If you're not sure where to go, just come to the Welcome Center or call us on the main number. We'll get you in the right direction.
Congratulations on being accepted into Blackhawk Technical College. We hope to see you on campus, in Zoom, or on a discussion board soon.